So this is take one. So hello everyone, this is AR and you're watching the knockoff. And today I've got something. Okay, retake. So this is take two. So hello everyone, this is AR and you're watching the knockoff. And today I've got something bit interesting. Excuse me. Got it. Retake. So. This is Tech 99. So hello guys, this is knockoff and you're watching the air. What? So this is Tech on it. Hello everyone, this is AR and you're watching the knockoff. And today I've got some sort of information which is very important for you guys, and I want you to share this as much as you can because this is very important for people to know, and everyone should be aware of this. So let's begin. So as you all know that many cyber threats has happened and many cyber attacks has initialized to the big companies, and the consequences are often faced by the common people. And today I have got some one of the cyber attacks which is called the Evil Twins attack. So what is this Evil Twins attack? So it is a simple based attack where the attacker just puts a trap and he just wait and watch for the subject or the victim to come there and get trapped. So this is how this attack works. So let's understand this more clearly in two cases. So let's go through case 1. So in case 1, let's say that you are on the bus station and you have reached too early and you are 30 minutes fast. So the bus hasn't arrived yet. So you need something to time pass, right? So then what you'll do? So you will look around, and while looking around, you found there a poster where it is written free Wi-Fi available. Then what you'll do? So you will grow greedy from inside and you'll say, oh, here is free Wi-Fi, let me use this. And if there is any update, then you'll say, oh, let me update my PUBG. So then you will update it, right? So while connecting, but at the time you connected to that Wi-Fi, then all your credential data or anything that you have privately in your devices, whether it may be laptop or the smartphone, will all be hacked and all be shared with the hacker. So what is the trap out here? So let's understand this. So the trap out here is the Wi-Fi. Yes, you are thinking correct that this is the Wi-Fi. So if you think that why should a bus station should initialize or should install a Wi-Fi, right? So let's go. Let's say that hacker has not set up a trap, but in place of setting a trap, he has made a trap. He has made a trap in a Wi-Fi which is already presented there. So let's say that you're in the cafe and cafe has provided a Wi-Fi, but the Wi-Fi of the cafe is not very secure and can be hacked. So a hacker has already hacked that Wi-Fi, and thus when you connect to that cafe's Wi-Fi, then all your things or all your credential data is again gone. So not only you, but whoever connect to that Wi-Fi or whoever will connect to it, all his data will be lost or will be hacked. So this is how it works. So it is very simple. So the main motive was that just to make you guys aware so that you can stay safe. So I hope that you liked it. So thank you for this. So this much for this video. I hope that you liked it. So till then, goodbye. Jai Hind. Jai Gorkhe.